This is a review of Plantation Lodge, which is near the Ngorongoro crater in Tanzania, and the grounds are beautiful. The rooms are very, very nice indeed. So if you do come here, don't be put off by the long drive from the main road. We're in the middle of the plantation, so there's nothing really around, but the accommodation is super. This is the room. Got a sitting room area. That's the bath. And double showers. My wife was particularly excited about that. One there, one there. There we go, fantastic. And then into the bedroom. Lovely big bed. Out onto the balcony, and again some more lovely, well maintained grounds. So these are the grounds in front of the various rooms, and reception I think is just over there, and we're walking down to the pool. Beautifully maintained grounds. Reception. And after a long day on safari, this is just what you need. Really nice. This is the bar with an extensive underground wine cellar through a hole in the ground. Very nice bar. Can't really see it, but an outside drinking area. And very nice dining room here where we're going to be eating tonight. It's a big party. So the summary on Plantation Lodge is that everything about this place feels quality. The accommodation, the grounds, the food, the staff. I would definitely come back here again if I was in the area and needed somewhere to stay, because it is a lovely, tranquil little oasis.